everybody, it's Carol. How are you? I hope you're all doing great. I'm so happy to see you today. Today I have an amazing face gadget for you to see. I did the whole system this morning. My skin feels revived. I can't wait to continue it and see how it improves. For weeks and weeks, I have been researching radio frequency. I've been seeing it on a lot of information on this online, how radio frequency can produce collagen. I am looking for something like that. So I kept looking and looking, and the machines were in the thousands. And I said, I can't afford to go get it done on a monthly basis or whatever, and I can't afford a $2,000 machine to have in the house. So then all of a sudden I get an email from MEGELIN, this company that has all kinds of beauty tools, and they asked me if I would like to receive the radio frequency tool. Well, my heart went pitter-patter. I was very excited. Yes, I told them, yes, yes, yes. I have it right in front of me, and I actually did it this morning. All right, let me show you this product. It's a beauty. This is the MEGELIN. Oh, it's MEGELIN. Okay, this is the MEGELIN inside this box. Now, it is a very, very hefty, sturdy little machine. And it comes with a plug, a charger. So you just charge it on the bottom. And the top removes to protect the gold conductors. The on-off switch is here, and then right below it, on the same switch on the bottom, is the intensity. So the first one turns it on, and the top one is the on-off. This is RF is the first one, radio frequency. DA is the radio frequency and the microcurrent. And the one on the bottom is DP, and that is for the facial mask, and you stamp it like that. Now, I'm going to show you some things that I've learned about this and why I'm so excited about this. I think this is going to be the miracle tool. Okay, so they sent me this hyaluronic acid protein essence gel. It's a clear gel. You put it on there, and then you start, or you put it on your face, whichever way. And when you're done, you just massage it in. This is good for your skin. The other thing that came in the package was a box of masks. And this is the mask. I used it this morning. It has, I'll show you a picture, it has grids on it. So when you're doing the mask treatment, the DP on the bottom, you follow the grid, and then it beeps. It stays for about 7 or 8 seconds, and then it stops, and it stops the pulsating, and then you lift it up and you go to another one. Now, when you do your regular everyday thing, you could slide it, or you could go like that. And I like that it's angled. It really makes it so convenient. You could just walk around and do this. You could travel with it if you had to take it away with you. I mean, this is some tool. This is amazing. I am going to read to you a few things that the company says about this tool, so you can further understand why I'm so excited about it. I have been searching for something to tighten up because I'm starting really to see saggy looseness. And I work on it. I work on my face all the time. I use all Dr. Nassif's products. I derma roll. I massage. And the reason I massage is because my mom was a big massager of her face. She used to massage. Let me show you. She would wear a terry cloth little short jumper after the shower, and she would start massaging from her shoulders, décolleté, behind her neck, and all the way up till her face was beet red. Every time I used to sleep over there with my kids, my mom and I would be with cold cream and honey. We would take honey, scoops of honey, and just massage our face with it. And this is something that I've always done also. And I know it's her beauty secret because she's still beautiful and she's 98. But anyway, she'd get the blood to flow up there really fast. And when I get the blood to flow, I love it because the blood feeds the cells in your skin. And when you get the blood up there, it's nourishing. And this produces collagen. And I'll explain it to you exactly what they say. Okay, I'm going to insert a couple of pictures to help you understand more about this, and then I'll come back. The results can see in 5 minutes. Look, I did my face this morning. I think it came out pretty good. Just like when you massage, it creates the blood to flow, and tightening creates oxygenation of your skin, and therefore creates collagen. With consistency, these changes start to take effect. It firms and tightens and tones, shown to improve sagging skin, improves under eye wrinkles. You can go up to the eye. When you heat up the skin without causing damage, it signals fibroblast, and fibroblast is responsible for collagen building. Oh my God! It can stimulate the regeneration of collagen in the skin, promote skin metabolism, and make the skin more tight. Oh my God! I'm so excited. Anti-aging, the variable frequency, radio frequency beauty device can promote skin blood circulation, increase skin nutrition supply, reduce free radical production, and achieve anti-aging effects. This frequency modulated radio frequency beauty device, combined with microcurrent red and yellow light therapy used during facial mask application to promote deep absorption of nutrients and make the skin more hydrated and supple. The variable frequency radio frequency beauty device can stimulate the regeneration of collagen in the skin, fill skin defects, and eliminate wrinkles, fading of spots. It can promote skin metabolism, accelerate the regeneration of skin cells, reduce melanin, and achieve the effect of fading spots. This is not just coming from me. This is what you will find all over the internet about radio frequency. I am so excited. Sale now also. And I have a code. It was $600. It's now $2 something. And the ones I've seen online are like $1,000 to $2,000. But this is a portable home device. This is the hyaluronic acid protein essence gel. It's clear gel. Came with these masks. Now, these are masks that are very juicy, and you use the machine on top of it. This product is about $600, but it is on sale now for $269, I believe. Plus, I have a discount code. It is so worth it. It is so easy. Let me turn it on for you. You just press that, and it comes with a little booklet so you understand. You could do this while you're watching your shows, while you're watching YouTube, and it really works. This morning my face was all red, beautiful. The blood came up and drenched my skin, and it left me with a bounce in my step. If you work out your body, you know you have bounce in your step for the rest of the day. If you work out your face, you get the same rush. You can get the same exact rush. You feel elated and you have a bounce in your step and you're ready to take on the day. I am going to do this a few times a week because I am really working on the lower half. I will do it everywhere, but I am concentrating on this. This was my wish come true. I don't know how they knew, but all of a sudden in my email, there was MEGELIN. So anyway, the link will be down below. Check out the website and see if there's anything on there that you would like. You can use my code. I think it's code Carol10, and see what you think. I'm blown away. This is my new friend. It's got the red light therapy, yellow light therapy, micro current, and radio frequency. This is your at-home spa right here. Oh, I put a towel on my head, I laid on my bed, I did my massage, I bounced off the bed when I was done because I was so elated and I was just so energized knowing that I'm doing something to improve. And that's what we really want to do every day, is just try to improve ourselves. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you, MEGELIN. Oh my dreams came true. I appreciate you guys so much. Remember, I love you all, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, if you haven't subscribed, you could press the banner and the little bell, only if you smiled. Love you.